Hi, it's Amelia from Doxy.me. Today, I'll be introducing you to Dialer. While video visits are at the heart of Doxy.me, sometimes patients run into challenges connecting. Maybe their internet is unstable, their device isn't compatible, or the video session just isn't working as expected. That's where Dialer comes in. Dialer gives you a simple way to call patients by phone directly from Doxy.me, helping you stay connected when video isn't an option. Let's see how it works. From your dashboard, select the Dialer button located next to Invite Via. Enter your patient's phone number and start the call. Your patient will receive a regular phone call with the caller ID listed as Doxy.me Telehealth. Instead of needing strong internet access, patients simply answer their phone. If the patient doesn't answer, declines the call, or has a busy line, you can quickly try again without leaving the Dialer screen. Once connected, you'll see an in-call experience that feels familiar. Because the patient is joining by phone, your camera is automatically turned off because the patient can't see you. Dialer is designed as a backup option when video isn't possible, helping you continue care without switching to a personal phone or another calling tool. After a call, anonymized details are logged in your history, where phone calls and video calls are clearly labeled for easy reference. With Dialer, you can reach more patients, reduce disruptions, and keep care moving forward, all within Doxy.me.